Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Warrior YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the MSc Horticulture, MSc Agriculture Agronomy, Aligarh Muslim University PG entrance exam test which is held on 22 September 2021. Here the question paper is divided in three sections. Section A is 75 questions. It is a general agriculture questions. It is a compulsory portion. Section B is 25 questions. It is a horticulture option. And section C is 25 questions. It is a agronomy optional. So let's start the videos. First we discuss the section A. It is a general agriculture question. So question number 1 is the crop having highest cultivation area in the world. Option A is rice. Option B barley. Option C is wheat. Option D is maize. The correct answer is option C, wheat. The crop having highest cultivation area in the world, it is a wheat. The next question is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. The option A is Tamil Nadu. Option B is Punjab. Option C is Bihar. Option D is Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. So the largest producer of sugarcane in India, it is a Uttar Pradesh. Next question is Bengal famine was result due to the option A is Phytophthora infestans. Option B is Helminthosporium oryza. Option C is Rhizoctolia solani. Option D is Puccinia graminis. The correct answer is option B, Helminthosporium oryzae. So Bengal famine was result due to the Helminthosporium oryza. Next question is water holding capacity is maximum in option A is clay loam, option B is sandy loam, option C is silty loam, option D is loam. Here the correct answer is clay loam. So water holding capacity is maximum in the clay loam soil. Next is size of colloidal clay particles is less than option A is 0.0002 millimeter, option B is 0.002 millimeter, option C is 0.02 millimeter, and option D is zero point 0.2 millimeter. Here the correct answer is option B, 0.002 millimeter. The size of colloidal clay particle is less than 0.002 millimeter. The next question is the plant growth hormone which help in the enlarging the fruit size. Option A is abscisic acid, option B is cytokinin, option C is gibberellic acid, option D is ethylene. Here the correct answer is option C, gibberellic acid. The largest growth hormone which help in the enlarging the fruit, it is the gibberellic acid. The next question is the Aligarh Muslim University was founded by the option A is Janab Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Option B is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Option C is Dr. Rafi Ahmad Kidwani. Option D is Hakim Hafiz Abdul Maulana. Here the correct answer is option B, the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The Aligarh Muslim University was founded by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question is the richest source of iron. Option A is parsley. Option B is spinach. Option C is celery. Option D is green peas. Here the correct answer is B, spinach. The richest source of iron, it is a spinach. Next question, which one among the following is a aromatic variety of rice? Here the correct answer is option B, Pusa 1121. It is a basmati rice variety, so it is a aromatic rice variety. Next question, guava belong to the family. Option A is Caricaceae. Option B is Rosaceae. Option C is Myrtaceae. Option D is Euphorbiaceae. Here the correct answer is option C, Myrtaceae. Guava belong to the family Myrtaceae. Next question. Emasculation of flower is necessary for the hybridization in. Option A is male sterile plant. Option B is self-pollinated plant. Option C is self-incompatible plant, and option D is dioecious plant. Here the correct answer is option B, self-pollinated plants. Emasculation of flower is necessary for the hybridization in self-pollinated plants. Next question, opening and closing of stomata are regulated by option A is nitrogen, option B is phosphorus, option C is potash, option D is calcium. Here the correct answer is option C, potash. Opening and closing of stomata are regulated by the potash. Next question, first agriculture university established in India. Here the correct answer is A, Govind Ballam Pant, University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. Next question, queen of forage crop is Option A is lucerne. Option B is Bermuda grass. Option C is berseem. Option D is Napier grass. Here the correct answer is lucerne. So queen of forage crop is the lucerne. So next question, Mandarin orange is option A is Citrus paradisi. Option B is Citrus sinensis. Option C is Citrus reticulata. And option D is Poncirus trifoliata. Here the correct answer is Citrus reticulata. So Mandarin orange is Citrus reticulata. Next question, hand pollination is most useful in option A is date palm, option B is grape, option C is apple, option D is pineapple. Here the correct answer is date palm. So hand pollination is most useful in the date palm. Next question, father of extension education in India. Option A is K.N. Singh. Option B is M.S. Swaminathan. Option C is B.P. Pal. Option D is K.C. Mehta. Here the correct answer is option A, K.N. Singh. Father of extension education in India, it is a K.N. Singh. Next question. The highest rapeseed mustard producing state in India. Option A is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is Bihar. Option C is Rajasthan. Option D is Punjab. Here the correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. The highest rapeseed mustard producing state in India is Rajasthan. Next question. Most critical state of irrigation in barley is option A, seedling. Option B, tillering. Option D, duff stage. Option B. Option D is B and C. Here the correct answer is option D, B and C. The most critical state of irrigation in barley is seedling and trilling stage. Next question. Panama wilt is a common disease of option A, banana, option B, maize, option C, rice, option D is wheat. Here the correct answer is A, banana. Panama wilt is a common disease of banana. Pears are commercially propagated by option A is seed or tea budding, option B whip grafting, option C tongue grafting, option D all of the above, all of the these. So guys, this question is very confusing question. If you know the correct answer, please comment box. Next question is finger millet is option A is Eleusine corocana, option B is Panicetum typhoides, option C is Panicetum glaucum, option D is none of these. Here the correct answer is Eleusine corocana. So finger millet is the Eleusine corocana. Next question is mode of propagation of isabgol is through. Option A is runners, option B is stolen, option C is seeds, option D is rhizobium. Here the correct answer is option C, seed. The mode of propagation of isabgol is through seeds. The next question is Central Tuber Crop Research Institute is located at option A is Thiruvananthapuram, option B is Hyderabad, option C is New Delhi, option D is Kolkata. Here the correct answer is option A, Thiruvananthapuram. So Central Tuber Crop Research Institute is located at Thiruvananthapuram. So Pusa ruby is a variety of option A is tomato, option B is brinjal, option C is chili, option D is potato. The correct answer is tomato. So Pusa ruby is a variety of tomato. Next question, foot and mouth disease in livestock is caused by due to the option A is fungus, option B is bacterium, option C virus, option D protozoan. The correct answer is virus. Foot and mouth disease in livestock is caused due to the virus. Next is peta, a common native confectionery in North India, is prepared from the option A ash gourd, option B bottle gourd, option C pointed gourd, option D raised gourd. The correct answer is ash gourd. The peta, a common native confectionery in North Indian, is prepared from the ash gourd. Next question. Carrot root is a modification of option A adventitious root, option B taproot, option C runners, option D suckers. Here the correct answer is B taproot. The carrot root is a modification of taproot. Next question, root knot nematode is option A is Heterodera, option B is Globodera, option C Melodogyne, option D is Tylenculus. The correct answer is C, Melodogyne. So root non nematode is Melodogyne. Next question is gulab khas is a variety of option A is mango, option B lychee, option C guava, option D is apple. So gulab khas is a variety of mango. Question number 39. Tillage operation being done in standing water is termed as option A puddling, option B harrowing, option C mulching, option D all of the above. The correct answer is puddling. Tillage operation being done in standing water is termed as puddling. Next question. Molar disease in wheat is caused by option A Aphelencoides basae, option B is Heterodora aveni, option C is Melodogyne incognita, option D is Pratylocoides. The correct answer is C Melodogyna incognita. The molar disease is wheat is caused by the Melodogyne incognita. The father of soil science is V. Dokuchev. Option B. J. Von Leving. Option C. J. W. Lithar. Option D. C. F. Marbut. The correct answer is V. Dokuchev. The father of soil science is V. Dokuchev. Next question is Haryana is a breed of option A. Buffalo. Option B. Cow. Option C. Goat. Option D. Sheep. Here the correct answer is buffalo. So sorry, buffalo nahi cow. The Haryana breed is a cow breed. It is a double purpose breed, milk and drop purpose. The correct answer is cow. The Haryana breed is a cow breed. Next question is the Seed Act in India was passed in 1976, 1986, 1966 and 1960. The correct answer is option C 1966. The Seed Act in India was passed in the 1966. The next question is store grain are damaged by the Helicoverpa armigera, Spodoptera litura, Chilopartulus and Cytophilus oryzae. The correct answer is option D Cytophilus oryzae. It is a rice weevil. So storage grain are damaged by the Cytophilus oryzae. Next question is the Aligarh Muslim University was established in option A is 1910, option B 1930, option C 1920, option D 1940. The correct answer is 1920, option C. The Aligarh Muslim University was established in 1920. The next question is Student Ready was launched in the year. The correct answer is option B 2015. Next question is so RAWE stand for here the correct answer is option B rural agriculture work experience. The next question is 48. Instrument used for measuring wind velocity is known as option A is hydrometer, option B pyranometer, option C altimeter, option D is anemometer. Here the correct answer is option D anemometer. Instrument used for measuring wind velocity is known as anemometer. The next question botanical name of lemongrass. Here the correct answer is option A Symbopagon flexiosus. So botanical name of lemongrass, it is the correct answer option A Symbopagon flexiosus. Next question is Khapra beetle is a. The correct answer is option C Trogoderma granarium. Next question linseed is a. Summer crops, kharif crop, rabi crop, none of these. The correct answer is rabi crop. The linseed is a rabi crop. Next question SRI technique is related to the so the here correct answer is option B rice. SRI means system of rice intensification. So it is technique related to the rice crop. Next question is which state of rice is attacked by Gandhi bug? Here the correct answer is option B milking stage. The Gandhi bug is attacked on the rice crop. It is a milking stage. Next question the full form of ATL. Here the correct answer is option B economic threshold level. Here the full form of ATL option B economic threshold level. Next question is which of the following insecticide it is a ineffective nematicide? Option A quinolphos, option B cypermethrin, option C parathion, option D carbofuran. So guys here the question is confusing. So if you know the answer please comment. Next question is Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology is located at option A Haryana, option B Pune, option C Ludhiana, option D Gurgaon. Here the correct answer is Punjab Ludhiana. So Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology CFED Haryana. Sorry Ludhiana. So the Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology CFET is located at Punjab, Ludhiana. Next question is Kufi Chandramukhi is a variety of. The correct answer is option C, potato. Kufi Chandramukhi is a variety of potato. Next question. Who considered as father of statistics? The correct answer is option D, R.A. Fisher. So R.A. Fisher is a father of statistics. Next question. Influence in sugarcane is referred to as. The correct answer is option D, arrow. The arrow is a sugarcane inflorescence type. The next question is allogamy is also known as. The correct answer is option C, cross pollination. Cross pollination is also known as allogamy. Next question. The first Krishi Vigyan Kendra was established in 1974 at. The correct answer is option A, Pondicherry. The Pondicherry place, the KVK was first established in 1974. Next question is Khera disease in rice occurred due to the deficiency of. The correct answer is option D, zinc. So Khera disease in rice occurred due to the deficiency of zinc. The correct next answer is the SI unit of cation exchange capacity is. The correct answer is milliequivalent and per 100 gram. The correct answer is C. The SI unit of CEC is option C is the right answer, MEQ per 100 gram. Most critical stage of irrigation in maize crop it. The correct answer is option D, A and B. So tasseling stage and silking stage, it is the most critical stage of irrigation in maize crop. Next question. The first agriculture minister in independent India was. The correct answer is option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So the next question is in dihybrid cross how many different type of genotype are produced in F2? So correct answer is option B, 4. So in dihybrid cross, how many different type of genotype are produced in F2? It is a correct answer is option B, 4. The seed sold to the farmer for cultivation is. The correct answer is option D, certified seed. Certified seed sold to the farmer for the cultivation. Next question is the Pactinophora gossypii is commonly known as. The correct answer is option B, pink bollworm. The Pactinophora gossypilla is commonly known as pink bollworm. The next question is the crop providing effective cover against loss of soil nutrient and moisture. So the correct answer is all of the above. Cowpea and moong, sanam and groundnut, and udbin and soybean. Here the mulching crop. So the providing effective cover against soil loss of moisture. The correct answer is option D. Next question is Etava pilot project was started by. The correct answer is option C, Albert Mayer. Albert Mayer started the Etava pilot project in 1948. The next question is the genus Ericyphe is known as. The correct answer is option C, powdery mildew. The genus Ericyphe is known as to cause powdery mildew. The next question is agroclimatic zone in India according to the Planning Commission. The correct answer is option C, 15. So agroclimatic zone in India according to Planning Commission, it is a 15. The next question is the microbial ecosystem of soil include biotic component of soil, abiotic component of soil, biotic and abiotic component of soil. They are none of these. The correct answer is option A, biotic component of soil. The next question is Handbook of Agriculture is published by. Option A is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. Option B is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, New Delhi. Option C is Ministry of Commerce and Industry, New Delhi. Option D is Indian Agriculture Static Research Institute, New Delhi. Here the correct answer is option A, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. So guys, here the correct answer is option A. Handbook of Agriculture is published by the ICAR. So guys, it is a part 1. If you like the video, please comment, and any doubt regarding these questions, so please comment box, and please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.